Hey guys, come with me to groom 2 of my dogs. I do have 4 dogs, but I took 2 to the groomers this morning, and we're gonna do the boys out here too. I'm gonna start with the brushing, that way I don't have to take as much wet hair off. Right, Gucci? So the girls normally get bath, nail clipping, or nail clip, their nail clip, and a haircut. So I figured the boys, okay, so then the boys just get brushed, baths, and then nails clipped. I will give them the next day. They will skip the nail clipping.